We don't know who she is. She could be a serial killer, a dick muncher, an ear eater, and not for the better.
A dick cruncher?
A dick muncher. You want your dick ate?
I want my dick ate.
Okay. Let's not get that dick ate.
Are you serious?
I'm so serious.
Holy Cuts my dick?
Yes, cut your dick.
That happens?
Yes. They be like, eat dicks for breakfast.
Eat dicks for breakfast?
Exactly.
I don't want my dick eaten for breakfast.
I know you don't. No, you just lost me. You just went down like 50 steps. You just did all that.
That sounded like
no, that's not a well. Don't you say it.
Okay.
And then so you can see what the shot looks like. This is.
Oh yeah, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. You look good, man. You look good.
Yeah. Oh, and I don't think the microphone's in the shot.
We should turn this towards
Yeah,
her.
and we'll turn it towards her.
Okay. Okay, she's gonna be wanting some Jessie. Okay, she's gonna be wanting some Jessie. What you do is you do like that. Okay?
She's going. I was like, why 3?
Yeah.
That's fine.
All right. So this is. Yeah, that took. All right.
Okay.
And so
Which
go ahead and start with your
Yeah.
line. Yeah,
Oh.
with the.
Okay.
And then I bring up how whales are the smartest animals in the sea kingdom, in my opinion.
No. Why are you bringing up whales? Why are you bringing that up? You just went.
You know, that
You just
sounds
plummeted.
Like, that kind of sounds like a whale.
No, it doesn't. It sounds like an airplane crashing into a mountain, killing thousands of people.
And cut. All right. Scene alpha, take 1. So soft.
Wait, are we starting from his line? Attitude.
She's going to want some Jessie.
Not like sassy attitude.
Oh, okay.
See the clap there?
A little to the left. Sorry.
All right. So this is
further up.
perfect. 1 foxtrot. Take 1.
Not
Actually,
We'll just take
We
it from
can-
the end of that line.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just start by saying,
yeah.
I
you
don't know.
mentioned
Yeah.
toes.
Okay. She's gonna be wanting some Jessie.
she's going to be
She's
wanting
gonna be wanting some Jessie. Say it again.
Then she's going to be wanting.
Say it again.
She's going to be
Say
wanting.
it again.
She's going to be wanting some Jessie!